to the V vlog. This is episode 6 of the S13 build. The S13's been built, tuned, signed, sealed and delivered. We're heading up to Higgs Park and we're going to do a quick try run. What are we doing today, Scotty?
Yeah, first time in what, 3 years? 2.5?
Year and a half.
Been a bit.
Year and a half.
It's been a bit.
Foolish line 2021.
Yeah, it was 21.
Yeah. So it's
been
all
a while.
built. We're gonna go test it.
After all the building.
Kerry's gonna have a crack at driving this now that it's built again.
Couple of drifts, couple of fucking riggies.
We'll see how it goes. worked.
problem.
The car worked really well. It was so fast. It feels amazing.
Felt very good. Very smooth, very quick, very responsive.
And then
All of a sudden, no.
the SR20 did SR20 things. And
She let go.
it's not let go on, it's just making noises and doing stuff that it shouldn't. But
Making tricky noises that shouldn't.
FYI, I wasn't driving either when it happened.
not this time anyway.
Yeah, Sakura drove the car and blew up again, second time. Sakura has got 2 SR20s.
Here we go.
But yeah, really happy with how it performed and the power and stuff's exactly what we built it for. But yeah, fuck knows what happened. I don't know, we'll have to pull it apart. Hopefully it's just bearing, or hopefully it's not even that. Hopefully I get home and it's just a fan hitting on the shroud or something stupid.
If not, we're going back to Dan's.
Yeah.
See you soon, Dan.
I'll be V2 part 6.
Part 7.
7
This is 6, that'll be 7.
of the build. How'd you go?
Good, I think. It felt good. It was a lot easier to drive in second gear, but didn't get a lot of seat time because someone blew it up again.
Yeah, no, she did really well.
Listen to
But,
how's the mouth on it?
there was a lot more people out there than we were expecting, so track time sort of learning was a bit on the skim side, but it's alright. We'll do something, probably put a 1J in it, I think. 2J, so it's reliable. I don't know.
1Js.
I don't know what to do at the moment, but
6, 7, 8, 9,
absolutely
10.
loved driving it and how it felt, so probably just going to have another crack at getting it going and go again, I guess. Anyway.
He's only doing this to get YouTube views. He blew it up for YouTube views.
Don't tell him that, man. Alright, see you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.